A game-changer hearing aid. Mearsun. A world-first self-fitting hearing aid. Just like your eyeglasses need to be calibrated to help you see the world better, your hearing aid needs calibration as well. Otherwise, it will lead to poor speech recognition, fragmentation, or even loss of information. Mearsun calibrators adopt algorithms optimized by millions of data models. Our audiologist teams provide one-on-one hearing aid calibrations to match your own unique bandwidth.
Now I can adjust the left-right volume balance myself, which makes the conversations in my ears more coherent and clear. I don't need to ask my friend to repeat themselves over and over again. Yes, I'm very confident and happy now.
Pioneering bone conduction technology. Thanks to the innovative bone conduction technology, the sounds are now transferred directly to the inner ear, bypassing the injured outer ear and middle ear. Unlike traditional hearing aids, Mearsun prevents further damage to the eardrums and ossicular chain for users with mild hearing loss.
Mearsun does not block my ear canal at all. I can still use my own remaining hearing. I just need to adjust the composition level.
The advanced onboard artificial intelligence and 32 programmable channels allow Mearsun to analyze sound scenes in real time and reduce environmental noises.
I used to avoid wearing hearing aids because of the background noises, especially sudden bursts of noises. They gave me bad headaches. Mearsun made noises as gentle as my kitty's purring.
Among 300 users worldwide.
It's amazing!
No more blocked ears and no worry of dropping hearing aids. With Mearsun, I can listen to music and take phone calls. It's very comfortable and I recommend it to everyone.
Amazing! I can hear everything so clearly.
This is Mearsun, providing healthy hearing for the soundless world. Without harm, Mearsun hearing aids enable you to hear the world safe and sound.